Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 8 of Flylady's beginner baby steps to getting your home and life in order. Today, we need to make sure to get dressed in the morning, to be kind to ourselves, taking small breaks throughout the day, to do a quick 2-minute hot spot clean, to make sure to have a clean and shiny sink before bed, and pick out an outfit that we're going to wear for tomorrow. Today, we're going to start building a control journal. It's a guide to keep all of your routines together in one place. You don't have to make it complicated. You can use anything you want that you already have at home, whether it's a notepad, notebook, clipboard, or a binder. I personally bought this binder earlier last week just because it made me happy. This is how I'm building my control journal, but like I said earlier, you can use anything that you would like. It doesn't have to be fancy. In my binder, I'm going to put lined paper and a pencil pouch to put my post-it notes, pencil, and pen in. Afterwards, I'm going to write down the habits that we're working on and put them in their own routine section. For an example, in the morning, I need to get dressed, drink my coffee, which is me being kind to myself because I love my cup of coffee in the morning, and to tackle a hot spot. Then I'm going to write down before bed routine or nighttime routine. So far, the nighttime habits that we're building is to make sure to have a clean sink before bed, lay out our clothes for tomorrow, and to tackle another hot spot so we can wake up to a tidy home. That's all you need to write down so far. We're going to build our control journal throughout the rest of the baby steps. If you would like, you can also put these pages inside a clear plastic sheet. So you could use a dry and erase marker to check off the tasks for the day, then erase and repeat. Click the like button if you liked this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!